Hello guys, in today's video we are going to show you how you can be able to fix the mouth pin of a small phone. If your mouth pin is not working, we are going to show you how you can be able to fix the mouth pin. If when you are making a call, the person you are calling will not hear what you are saying, this is how you can be able to change the mouth pin. Let's go to it. The first thing you need to do is to remove the battery. When you remove the battery, if there's a memory card in it, you need to remove the memory card and also the SIM card if there's any SIM card in it. The next thing to do when you remove the SIM card and the memory is to remove the screws holding it. There are 4 screws holding the phone, so you need to use a star screwdriver to remove it. Here is it. When you've removed all the screws, the next thing you need to do is to open it. Use your thumbnail and open it. Here is it. Here is it. Open it. When you open it, you need to remove this. Here is it. You need to remove this and also remove the camera and also the speaker. Here is it.